Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel and hope you are doing good. So as you read from the title of the video, yes, I have a Interceptor 650 with me. It is right here. Spoiler alert, it is not my bike, it is one of my close friends bike and it has come here with me for a few days जहाँ पे I would work on the bike and I would share with you what I'm working on the bike. I'm sharing it as आपको भी helpful रहेगा. Without any further ado, here's the bike. So ये जो आपको शाइनी दिख रहा है ये पहले बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं था. I've already started working on the bike and थोड़ा बहुत oxidation हुआ था वो भी मैंने निकाल लिया है. The main concern is with its tank. It is fully rusted from the inside. So rust निकालने के लिए would be the first video on the channel. I'll show a picture over here of how the rust situation is. Second would be a basic service, engine oil change, air filter change. So I'll do a video on that as well. So yeah, this is a very quick video, a very short video. This bike would be with me for a few days. So if you all have any questions, if you all have any doubts, if you all have anything in mind about the Interceptor 650, drop it in the comment section below or DM me personally. I will try to answer it with the best of my knowledge. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the coming videos as metal ka tank agar aapka hai and if you're facing rust issues then the coming video will be for you because I'm going to remove the rust from the tank and solve the issue. Before that, this is part 1 of the Interceptor series. Part 2 would be the rust issues, part 3 would be basic services, part 4 might be living with the Interceptor kind of videos. So yeah, if you all have any suggestions also with the Interceptor 650, let me know in the comment section below and yeah, I will be more than happy to solve them, to do a video on them. And look out for this series as it will be interesting. It will be quite the learner of a series. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and peace out.